Hello my dear students. Today I am going to discuss how to calculate potential energy of a system of charges in the chapter of potential, electrostatic potential. So the chapter name electrostatic potential, and students, our today's topic is how to calculate potential energy of a system of charges. Okay. Students, in the previous video, I taught you how to calculate the potential, electrostatic potential, okay, and how to calculate potential due to dipole. Today, we are going to discuss how to calculate potential energy. First of all, listen, potential energy means work done, W. So, W work done, you know potential means V equal to work done per unit charge. So, you need what? Work done means potential energy. So, you just multiply Q with V, you will get potential energy means W, or better you can write U, potential energy denoted by U. So, U is equal to V into Q. So, if you multiply charge with potential, you will get potential energy. But students, our today's topic is potential energy of a system of charges, and we'll perform some important numericals. Okay, let's get started. First of all, think a three charges system means a triangle. So first of all, I draw a triangle. See, there is a Q1, Q2 and Q3, three charges, okay, placed and form an equilateral triangle of distance, or think not equilateral, think the distance from 1 to 2 is R12, from 2 to 1 take distance 2, 3, say 1, 2, 3 R13, say, okay. So there is a three distances 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 3. You have to find what? Potential energy. What? Potential energy. So listen student, when you bring the first charge means Q1, so for first charge Q1, you no need to do any work done, because think other charges absent, only you are bringing the Q1 here, so you no need to do any work. For that you can write work done is equal to 0. Got it? Then you have to bring Q2. So think there is no Q3, so only Q2 and Q1. For that you can write potential energy U, or work done, this for W1, W2 for second charge. W2 is equal to Q2 into Q1 by value of potential due to Q1 4 pi epsilon naught into R12. Am I right student? See, Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R12 is called potential, and multiplied by Q2, so you will get the energy. Remember one thing student, again I am telling you, potential V means W by Q. So you have to multiply with Q. So W means V by, here think Q2. So V into Q2, and you know V means here for first charge Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and then Q2. That's why W2 you can write Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0, then the distance R12. Got it? So students, now our third charge is Q3. Now you are responsible to find out for Q3. So you can write W3. See, when you work for Q3, then Q3, when you actually bring the Q3, then they are present two charges Q1 and Q2. So separately you have to find out for Q1 and for Q2. So you can write Q1 Q3 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 and 3 R13 plus Q2 Q1 by Q2 Q3 Q2 Q3. Okay, you think for Q3, that's why Q2 into Q3, you for Q3, so 4 pi epsilon naught R23. Then what you going to do? You just sum all the work done, means the net work done net is equal to work done W1, W2, W3. If they are present any other charges, then you can calculate for this also. So there is only 3 work done, so W1, W2, W3, and when you sum up all the 3, W1 equal to 0, so Q2, Q3, so it will be Q2, Q1 by, so you can keep 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 outside, then you can write Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2 by R12, right, plus Q1, Q3 by R, 1, 2, 1, 3 plus Q2, Q3 by R23. That's all. So this is your potential energy. So you can write work done net, or better you can write U. U is equal to this. Okay. If students, please pause the video and write it down. Now listen students, if you think for many charges, then you can write U I J is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. U means potential energy. U means what? Potential energy for many charges. So you can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation over, you have to summation for both case 1 and 2. So I running from 1 to n, and you can put j equal to 1 to n, but I not equal to j. See, 1 and 2, so I and j not equal, so I not equal to j, you can write qi qj by rij. This is for the system of charges, potential energy for the system of charges. Student, please pause the video and write the whole question. Students, now I am coming with new numerical regarding potential energy of a system of charges. Numerical number 1. Students, think there is a 4 charges situated at the 4 corners of a square. You know the side A. Each corner contain minus q charge. You can see from the figure. Now students, please write down the question. If there is a charge at the center 4q and you have to remove the 4q from the center, find the potential energy or work done required to remove the 4q. Find work done required to remove 4q plus 4q. So students, the question is find the work done required to remove plus 4q. First of all, see this 4q charge placed at the center of the square. So first you have to join the diagonal and think, if there is a 4 charges present, then what will be the potential at the point O, center, where the 4q situated. So first of all, find potential at point O. Think there is no 4q. So total potential would be W is equal to sum of all charges, so 4q by 4 pi epsilon naught, and think the distance. If this is A, then you know the diagonal of the square is called A root 2. Am I right? A root 2? Yes, A root 2. A square plus A square, so A root 2. So student, what will be the value of this distance from O point to A point? You tell me. What? O point to A point, A root 2 half, because total A root 2, and this portion A root 2 by 2. So you can write A root 2 by 2. Right student? Okay. Up to this no problem. So you can simplify it by taking 2 here. So 8q, or you can write 4 into 2 means root 2 into root 2 q by 4 pi epsilon naught into a root 2. So it will be 4 root 2 q by 4 pi epsilon naught into a. See, right student? Am I right? Okay. Now what you are going to find out? Find the work done required to remove plus 4q. So student, now you have to remove this plus 4q from the center. Now think about 4q. So you know work done formula, W is equal to potential by 4q. Sorry. V equal to work done by 4q. Total charge for here the charge 4q. So W means V into 4 into q. So you just multiply 4q with this, you will get the answer. So V, put the value of V here, 4 root 2 q by 4 pi epsilon naught into a, and then into 4q. That is your answer. So student, please write down. Understood? Okay. Please pause the video and write it down. Hurry up. Next numerical number 2. Okay. So now question number 2. Think there is a triangle, equilateral triangle, and each corner 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb and 3 coulomb charges placed in the equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral triangle, distance of 1 meter. Okay. Now you have to find out the work done required or the loss of energy. Find out the loss of energy for if the charges move to smaller equilateral triangle of side 0.5 meter, means half of 1. Okay. So now 2c, here 3c, and here you can write 1c. So students, what you want to you actually performing 3, there is a 3 charges and you have to bring 1 to here, 2 here and 3 here. So to form another equilateral triangle of smaller one of distance 0.5 meter. Okay. So first of all student, and you have to find out the loss of energy for doing this. Okay. So find loss of energy to bring 1, 2, 3c in the following system. Student, these numericals actually from PYQ, means previous year's questions. So please do it properly. Okay. So listen. So first of all, think for the larger triangle. So you know how to calculate the potential energy for the bigger one. So you can write U potential energy, UI initial potential energy when there is a large triangle, means put the name A, B and C. So for triangle A, B, C. So you know the potential formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. If there is a 3 system, I already told you what is the formula, Q1 Q2 by R12 plus Q2 Q3 by R23 plus Q3 Q1 by R31, right? Then you put the value, all the distance are same, R12 equal to R23 R31, because every side 1 meter, because an equilateral triangle, so you can keep R outside. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1, distance 1, and put the value of Q1 Q2, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. How much? 3, 6, 2. 6 to 8, 11. So you can write 11, and you know the value of 1 by 4 epsilon naught. that means 9 into 10 to the power 9, that much joule. Okay, every unit in SI, so you can write 11 into this. After this I think you have no doubt, because I already told in the first case how to find out potential energy of a system of charges for a triangle. Okay, got it? Next student, you have to find for the smaller triangle. For the smaller triangle, for that you will write the final potential energy. Actually what happened, this charge moved to this portion, so you can write B dash here, A dash, and this is C dash. So your new triangle is triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. So UF, how much UF? UF means similar thing, you have to write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, but now the distance is 0.5 and everything as previous, so no need to calculate. Okay, so no need any calculation, you just put, you can put 11 every charge. Suppose this is a microcoulomb, so you can write for microcoulomb, think for kilo, they are written coulomb, so it's okay. So 11, but the distance you can write 1 by 2 because 0.5, so 2 move to here, so it will be 22 into 9 into 10 to the power 9 joule. Now you have loss of energy, how much? Loss of energy equal to UF minus UI. So just subtract UI and UF, you will get 11 into 9 into 10 to the power 9 joule. See, check everything. I think all of you understood. Please pause the video, write it down. This is a very important question, students, for your exam. Okay, write it down, please. Okay, student, I think you have all written. Then question number numerical number 3. Question number 3. See, now think there is a 4 charges. How many charges? 4 charges. Form a square of side A, right? And the 4 charges are Q, 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 Q. Students, you have to find out the work done or the energy required to form this system. Student, you have already done for the triangular system. Now, this is for the 4 charges, and it's very easy. I already told you for many charges. If there is a many charges, then how to calculate potential energy, you know. Okay, so you just go for it. 4 charges, do it yourself. See, student, you need see A, this is point B, point C, point D. So student, for A point, so for A point, work done how much? 0, because for single charge you no need to do any work. Okay, so for A that will be 0. Okay, then for B, for B there is a 2 charges, so you can write WB is equal to Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught, and only distance A, so you can write A. Okay, then for WC, for C point, so WC for C point, how many charges are there? From B to C, so you can write Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught, and the distance from B to C is A, so write A plus. Student, C, think there is no D, so only C, so you just connect this, the value is A root 2, you know the diagonal of a square A root 2, so Q into Q square, so you can write Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught, and the distance is A root 2, no square because single radius, single distance. Okay, then you go for WD. Now we have 3 charges for that, so for that you have to write for D to A, Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught into A square, sorry A. Okay, for B, how much? Same thing, Q square by 4 pi epsilon 0, the distance A root 2 plus, right, plus C. Okay, only C, so Q square by distance is only A, so 4 pi epsilon 0 only is A. Okay, see D to C only A. Okay, got it? Now you have to sum all the work done. Okay, so net work done equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. Sum all the charges, you will get the answer. See, q square by 4 epsilon 0, if outside, q square by 4 pi epsilon 0, and a also outside. So a also outside. For work done 0, no need to require. For b, only 1. For c, 1 plus 1 by root 2. See, am I right? And for d, 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus again 1. See how many I have written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, done. So you just sum all the things. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 2 by root 2. So your answer will be, is it easy? Huh? Is it easy? 4 pi epsilon naught a. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2 root 2. Okay, better you can write root into root 2. So root 2. Sorry, 2 by root 2. Okay. So means root 2. 4 plus root 2. Okay. Easy? Joule. So student, please pause the video and write it down. I think you enjoy the video because this numerical is very important for your exam, and I think you must do in your copy and revise it, the whole potential part. Okay. Thank you very much student. Thank you.